everyone, welcome back to another Studio Diaries. So it's January, I guess, of a new year. This will be the first Studio Diaries of 2021. I'm in a weird mood. I think that's why I decided to do some vlogging, is that I cannot settle to do anything whatsoever. So I've kind of just decided, I'm not really happy with my room. It was kind of put together very quickly, so it doesn't vibe. I don't like it. The vibes are off. It makes a noise on my eyes and I don't like it. Seeing as we're still in a panoramic and everything's shut down though, I'm not able to get anything, so my mind is saying sort out at least. That will make a good start. So some of the things I need is like a proper bed frame, because right now I'm on a camp bed. I need a proper desktop for my desk, because right now I'm currently just using a harvested cupboard door as a desktop. I need a chair as well, a proper chair, because right now it's like a little stool, and when I sit on it I'm kind of like a shrimp typing away. So I'm going to start with art supplies, because I've accidentally got quite a lot from what companies have sent me. These I still have to review. It's like the sketchbook is really nice, and I'm tempted to keep this one after I've done my review, but I'm like, do I really need it? Do I? I've also got these, I think, and this. I'm amazed I didn't knock my teeth out then. But yeah, this is too much, so I'm just gonna really feels like I smashed them. I'm gonna harvest the colours that I do like, and then the colours that I don't use or I know I won't use. No, I'm just gonna donate them all. So the idea is just to have a big sort out. As for the colour scheme, and I've been trying to put together like a picture. I've kind of tried to, what I did, I kind of traced a photo of my room and tried to work out the colours on there, but I'm not sold on it. My brain is also saying, oh, do a vaporwave style bedroom, and it's like, no. So I've sorted all this stuff out. I was gonna go outside, but it's getting dark now because I really wanted to go scootering, but it's still kind of damp on the floor and there's lots of wet patches and puddles, and I've already made the mistake of going scootering when it's damp. So something I did also, I made myself some stickers because I'm actually running out. I used to have a massive collection of stickers, all from Comic-Con and everything, but I decided to just quickly make some myself, and I actually traced these. I'd have no intention of selling them again. I'm not going to bother opening up a store again because many reasons. There are other things that have like made it awkward to run a store again. But yeah, I just made myself these stickers. I really love the packaging of what are they called, like the Pocky sticks and the Ramoon drink bottles, is it? So I just kind of traced them, and I'm going to use them for my sketchbook, either to cover up mistakes or just to make my sketchbook look nicer inside, because I'm gonna use my sketchbook more as a scrapbook at this point. I think I haven't done much sketching. I have done quite a bit of digital art and digital sketching. Again, as I said, I'm really enjoying working on my characters, and whether I make anything with them or not, we'll see. It's very early stages of whatever I have planned, but I am enjoying working on it. So yeah, so I just made myself these funky stickers and I really like them. So again, I'm not going to sell them, so I think it's alright if I trace them. I think I mostly just wanted to get the writing correct and the typography, because that's the part of these snack packs that I really enjoy. It's like looking at the typography and the colours, and I think they look really cool when you have them all stuck in a sketchbook, so that's what I did. It is now the 1st of February. I had a really good sort out of all the stuff that I needed to get rid of, and I ended up with a big pile, and I've actually donated that. I've donated it to like my cousins and nephews, so they are going to enjoy some very nice art supplies, which makes me happy that it's all been gone, done, it's been sent off and it's being used. So now I have lots of space in my room, and I feel a lot better as well, because now I kind of have supplies now that I know I'm going to use and that I enjoy using. So I've kept my Poscas and my alcohol markers. I've ended up really liking alcohol markers now. I love them from my sketchbook. Yeah, I also sorted out all of my clothes too. I had this really funny idea that all of my clothes kind of look like Posca pens. Seeing as everybody's making their own aesthetics now, I'm gonna call my aesthetic Posca core. Or like Lego core. Something activated in my brain. I don't know what it was, whether I was watching a movie or something, because I've been on like a Jurassic Park and Jurassic World kit. If you didn't know, when I was a kid I was obsessed with dinosaurs, and I think it's just been reactivated all of a sudden, that sudden interest. And also Lego for some weird reason. And that is all I can think about lately. So I can't get my hands on any official Lego, but I kind of treated myself to like a fun little set from Wilko. So if I just, it's over there, the box, if I can just... Yeah, so I got myself this, it's Wilko's Lego, which Wilko's is kind of like a shop here. It is so much like Lego though. It's like I even read that it's compatible with other building blocks. So yeah, I got myself like this vet van, and I also got myself some like this little tub is where you can pick all your own bits. So I've just been stood at like the counter picking out the tiniest bits and sticking to like a certain colour theme. So the colours that I have are very reminiscent of like IKEA. So I'm like, if I can't go to IKEA, can I build my own IKEA? So this like is only like £1.50 for this massive tub. So I actually like went back and got like 2 more tubs. So my brain is literally no thoughts, only blocks. I've been really enjoying it, and it's funny because I kind of noticed like the video games that I like as well are all based around building and construction and decorating. Like Minecraft is still like my top favorite games. Animal Crossing comes a close second, and again the amount of customization and decoration and building that I can do in that is just, I just really enjoy that kind of thing. So yeah, I kind of like, so there was just like a single word and I activated like a sleep erection. And suddenly all I can think about is blocks, building and dinosaurs for some reason. Yeah, because I can't explain it with art. It's kind of like, how do I explain the way that I feel with art? It's been really hard trying to figure out how to constantly be making money from my art and how to monetize every aspect of it, from like filming, commissions, sponsorships. I think I've done quite a few things over the years. Comic cons and conventions, which are sadly not happening at the minute, seeing as we're still in a panini. Yeah, and I've noticed that I definitely started losing enjoyment from drawing, and it's been really difficult dealing with that, because drawing used to be solely for me to, I don't know, explore ideas and characters and just have fun. So lately I have actually been drawing more for myself, and you've probably noticed by the lack of videos I haven't been drawing so much for monetizing and commissions or anything like that. I stopped doing commissions a long time ago because it just got to a point where it feels difficult, and it was hard pushing myself forward and then not having any time or energy for myself or the things that I wanted to draw. Because at the minute, I really love working on my characters and everything. We've got Danny and Wilder. I absolutely love those two. And I've just been working on a little story with them. I'm not working on anything for show, if that makes sense. I don't intend to show any of the stuff I've been working on art-wise. There will be some things I'm gonna show, but I really want drawing to be fun again for me. So I guess that means branching out with different videos, and if that means like building Legos or something, maybe that's the direction I want to take. I've always had this really weird idea of doing like weird animation. Like I'd love to build like an alleyway or a building and use it as the background for like animated characters on top of it. So the characters would be 2D and the background would be like a Lego background or a miniature set, because I was thinking about miniatures, but again, it's a lot of art supplies for something that I could lose interest in very quickly. Legos and blocks, they're just like, they're easy to use, easy to put together, though Legos are definitely expensive. I didn't realise how much they'd gone up since I was a kid, so yeah, I love the idea of just making some really weird, something that doesn't really fit together. I love, like, if you know movies like Coraline and Paranorman by Studio Laker, is it? I absolutely love that kind of weirder look where the characters are kind of not symmetrical, like they're kind of weird and got weird shaped heads and everything. Like they definitely released some new films where they've definitely upped the production of how the characters move and the backgrounds, but I kind of miss the creepiness of Coraline, where you could kind of tell it was stop motion, but that added to the charm of the film and it just made it look really weird and added to that creepy effect. So yeah, now I have a new hobby, building blocks. Because I'm not gonna lie, lockdown, because we are currently in the lockdown in the UK when I'm making this. Lockdown has been difficult for me. There are people out there who have it way worse, and I know that, but it's still difficult. I would really love to be outside doing things, going places. I had this big list of places I wanted to go and places I wanted to travel to, but I know that's not probably going to happen for a while still, at least. But the thing I'm not looking forward to is having another birthday in lockdown, because my 25th birthday was in lockdown and I really don't want the 26th birthday to be in lockdown. And I always find it really hard talking about things like that because I'm not sure how happy my channel comes across. I know a lot of you said I sound quite negative with my artwork, and I don't want to be negative and bring a bad vibe on other people, but it's also hard because how do I portray how I actually feel? A lot of people see me as quite calm, and I am not like that in real life at all. I don't know how I'd actually describe myself other than like a goblin, a gremlin. It's like when you see me slam something down and people are shocked, like, wow, that was aggressive. And it's like, yeah, that is my true self showing through at long last. Another reason I think I've been struggling with videos is I've been starting to feel uncomfortable with posting myself online. I don't know what it is, whether it is because I can't keep up that persona. Right now, YouTube is my only source of income at the minute, and that I definitely feel the pressure of that, because how do I keep that up? Because it does feel as we go on, YouTube becomes harder to navigate, as do other social media platforms, and I find myself not able to keep up anymore. It doesn't frighten me, but I do feel kind of sad, kind of left behind. I can only tell myself to just do my own thing and just keep going. Find ways to enjoy the online experience like I used to when I was like 16 and 17. But no, the landscape has definitely changed a lot. I like to be online just to share my interests because it's, you know, where I can talk about things that I like. Yeah, so hopefully you can still enjoy this. And with that, I think I will actually end the studio diaries because I think it's probably gone on for way longer than it should have. So hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully it was still interesting to watch. I hope I can make videos that you will still like, but they're videos that I enjoy making as well. So whatever I have planned in future, hopefully it's fun, entertaining, good. I'm not gonna call it content anymore because again, I think that dehumanizes the very human work that I put into these kind of things. So I hope things are gonna start looking up for everyone, and I will see you all in another video. So bye.